So today we're at McDonald's. It's the first day for the Minecraft meals, which are awesome. So we're going to take a look at all the Minecraft stuff that's available. So this is one of the Minecraft toys from the Happy Meal. This one is the Creeper, which I got the coolest one to begin with, which is a pretty good find. So now this will be the rest of them. So that was the selection of the Minecraft toys for the Happy Meal. There is also an adult meal which has different toys that are not on display. But for the Happy Meal, there's quite a lot of them. The ones in the adult meal seem to be new characters versus the ones that are in the Happy Meal and ones that are actually on the game, such as the Creeper and some of the animals. I think the Happy Meal ones are the better ones of the group, but they're all pretty cool. There is also more stuff around the restaurant, like you can get these hats of the Creep, and a lot of the tables have the Minecraft like texture pattern on the table. And there, you look around the restaurant, there is a giant creeper and some others. They definitely went all out on the Minecraft promotion, so I think this one was a success because the Pokemon toys that came here last month, there wasn't any figures. I think it's better when they come with figures because the Minecraft ones are really cool. So thanks for watching.